Oof. Okay. Stationary video because this is like my fourth time recording or trying to record this video idea. So this video talks about if balisong channels were actual balisongs, which balisong would they be? Right? Because I got the idea of when I was watching Brandon Baker's review for the Squid Industries Nautilus. I was like, this guy really put his emotions into this review. Like his personality, you can actually see from the videos. A very commendable guy, right? Very expressive. So, channels like Balisong Flipping, like other Brandon, channels like DJ Alice Pyro, Paper, Queasy Plus is out there, right? And Behold the Black Wolf, Hey Austin, Ben Nudston, right? Now these people, I thought, hey, they have their own personalities. If I were to turn them into balisongs, which balisong would they be? Right? So I got curious. Right? So up first was Paper. Paper flips so smooth, and yet he has the voice that is very approachable and explains things in a very lax manner, right? So I think what Paper flips right now, the Kraken, the silver one, the regular blade, the Tonto blade, is a great fit for him. It shows that he can be playful with the how the Kraken handles were designed, but he can also be very skillful, like refined and sharp like the blade of the Kraken, right? With the pointy tanto tip. And so I experimented with other channels. Well, most of the channels, like let's say Behold the Black Wolf, is easily going to be represented as his BRS rep, the one that looks like a lime yellow, lime green, glow in the dark green, right? One of those. And smaller channels like Hourglass Eyes or maybe Profex are easily turned into balisongs. Like Hourglass Eyes, I would give Hourglass Eyes the model of the JK Emissary because it's purple. And for Profex, I would give Profex the balisong of his inked Squid Trainer. Very awesome. If they were balisongs, that would be them, right? Ooh. Now for medium-sized channels, well, I don't know if there's medium-sized channels, but for channels like Queasy Flips and Quant Flips, for Queasy Flips, I would give his channel the representation of I forgot which balisong brand it is, but the model is an orca. It's called an orca, right? if that guy, if Queasy was a Balisong, he'd definitely be an orc. The orc. Wah. Ugh. And for quant flips, he doesn't really talk much in his videos. But I'd give that channel the representation of maybe the Hypex, the green one that he flips. Maybe. Or maybe the Nautilus. One of the two. Either the Nautilus or the Hypex. Whenever I watch quant flips, I feel like I want to grab my Nautilus clone and just start flipping. Now, for bigger channels like DJ Sparrow and Dylan Kowalski. Well, I don't think DJ Sparrow is a big channel, but he does have a big impact on the review scene. Well, for me, at least. If DJ Sparrow says a clone is good, I'll probably believe him. So if DJ Sparrow was a Balisong, he'd be two Balisongs. He'd be the Squid Trainer, both the OG and the clone, and they're both in red. Right? And if Dylan Kowalski was a Balisong, he'd be the BB Barfly version 1 with orange handles. Because that's when I first came across his channel, he was teaching. What was he teaching? I think he was teaching me the basic rollout, the double rollout, right? Yeah, and the close Bally aerial, right? Something like that, right? And it closes. Oof. I can't even do it. I think I need to stand up to do it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I did it. So I learned that from Dylan Kowalski. Very nice. Very nice guy. He teaches a lot of things in his channel and covers a lot of ground. Now, Brandon from Song Flipping. You would think that I would represent Brandon from Balisong Flipping as maybe a Glider Original, or maybe a Glider Arctic, or maybe one of the knives from AliExpress, like the Alien, or which one does he like? You know, like a clone or like a Nautilus, right? But I would represent Brandon from Balisong Flipping with yeah. So basically his 3D printed Balisong, which was purple and pink, if I'm not mistaken. Very cool, very fun. But yeah, sometimes you could hear the sadness of plastic in his voice, though, which I get it. We can't all be happy all the time, every time, right? What else? Who else? Which channels are there? Oh, Will Hirsch and Brandon Baker. So Will Hirsch for me is kind of like Benchmade. And yes, exactly. Why Benchmade? Wait a minute. Where's Benchmade now in terms of Balisong? Makes you think. Why Benchmade? Benchmade looks nice for sure. But yeah, definitely Will Hirsch is Benchmade. And Brandon Baker. I gotta give props to this guy, man. So Brandon Baker is actually a very he's the guy that made Balisong videos pretty, right? So before Will Hirsch's channel like boomed or bloomed or however you call it, if I'm not mistaken, Brandon made the edits and production to that those videos, right? I might be wrong, but I think Will Hirsch's channel, with the help of Brandon, made the Balisong the Balisong community like blow up, like the trend of it. Like sure, there were avid fans like from the original era with Lugermonger, I think, and Big Flips, and who's that girl that teaches you how to fan? Artsy? Is it Artsy? Yeah. Like from those old style videos, Will Hirsch's channel, with the help of Brandon Baker, gave us the pretty videos, right? The more presentable, and you could really appreciate cinematography and the amount of work that goes into presenting an idea in the Balisong community. Like how you would treat a product that you want to give value to, right? Well, for me, this is just a hobby, and I do appreciate people who are very passionate about certain things, or people who can make their passions into maybe I'm not using the right words. I think people who can basically turn their passion into something people would see and recognize is a very fascinating thing. There you go. And I can basically say whatever I want on this channel because it's my channel. Yeah, this is the Civics I forgot the model, but it's from Civics, and this one of the original production. I didn't get a clone one, even though I wanted to compare them. I thought that it was didn't make any sense for me to purchase the clone if I already have the original thing. And let's see if I actually have the time to edit. Oof. Edit this in post. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys next time. Maybe tomorrow with another useless idea. Oh, wait. Brandon Baker as a Balisong. He would be Flytanium's Bally Boot. Because, you know.